Hi, I'm Christina Heideck with Streamline Living, and today we're going to talk about who typically works with a professional organizer anyway. Is it people who are totally beyond help just about and their homes are filled with clutter, like the ones that you see on Hoarders, or like what? So the real story is that not every home is filled to the max with clutter like the ones that you do see on Hoarders, and that most people who work with a professional organizer are looking for someone who can help them implement easy strategies to make their lives better. So my most common client is a busy mom or even a retired woman who wants their space to reflect the way that they want to live. So they want to have a space for everything. They don't want to waste time looking for things that they know they already own, but they just can't put their hands on. And they know there's a better way. So those are just a few reasons why people work with professional organizers. It's not even just like all the clutter. It could be that you just want to have more time in your life, because when you are working around clutter, it makes everything take longer. For example, cleaning takes like 30 or 40% longer when there's clutter. Like, who has time for that? I sure don't. And so that's why I really like working with people to help free up that time so that they can reclaim their lives. If this is something that you are interested in doing, reclaiming your time in your life and just really having a home that you love and that you're proud of and that you don't look around and go, ugh, then you are the perfect person to join me and Organize Me Now. I have put the link to the program in the video description, so go ahead and check it out there.